After 40, men face new health challenges that weren't as pressing in their younger years. Energy levels start to drop, testosterone naturally declines, weight becomes harder to manage, and the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions begins to rise. What many men don't realize is that the foods they eat can either protect their health or slowly harm it. Certain common foods are silent saboteurs. They lower testosterone, drain energy, increase inflammation, and contribute to long-term health problems. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 worst foods for men over 40 and explain why avoiding them can help you stay strong, energetic, and healthy well into your later years. Do you feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Have you noticed your waistline creeping up despite sticking to the same diet? Are you struggling to maintain muscle or focus throughout the day? If any of these sound familiar, the problem might not just be age, it could be your diet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to cut to boost your energy, support testosterone, and maintain vitality. The first food group to avoid is processed meats. This includes bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. These foods are high in sodium, preservatives, and nitrates, which can trigger inflammation and increase your risk of heart disease. They are also rich in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol and interfere with healthy blood flow. But the damage doesn't stop there. Saturated fats in processed meats can actually reduce testosterone production over time. Low testosterone means reduced muscle mass, lower energy levels, and slower fat metabolism. To protect your heart, hormones, and metabolism, swap processed meats for lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. These provide the essential nutrients needed to maintain strength and energy without sabotaging your health. Next, we have sugary drinks and sodas, which are major culprits in draining energy and sabotaging testosterone. Even a single can of soda contains over 40 grams of sugar, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin levels. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, weight gain, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. High insulin levels also suppress testosterone production, making it harder for men over 40 to maintain muscle and stamina. Energy drinks and sweetened coffees, often marketed as performance enhancers, can also contain hidden sugars and chemicals that exacerbate these problems. Instead, reach for water, sparkling water, green tea, or black coffee. These beverages hydrate your body, support metabolism, and maintain stable energy levels without triggering a sugar crash or hormone disruption. Refined carbohydrates such as white bread, pasta, pastries, and packaged snacks are the third category of foods to avoid. They are stripped of fiber and essential nutrients, which leads to rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin, especially around the abdomen, and can make maintaining energy throughout the day more difficult. Diets high in refined carbs have been linked to reduced testosterone levels and poor blood flow, which can also affect erectile function. Men over 40 are particularly susceptible to these effects because their metabolism naturally slows down. Replacing refined carbs with whole grains, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and vegetables stabilizes blood sugar, supports fat metabolism, and helps preserve muscle mass. Whole foods also provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall energy and vitality. Fried foods rank among the worst for men's health, particularly when eaten regularly. French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are often cooked in cheap oils loaded with trans fats. These fats promote inflammation, harm cardiovascular health, and interfere with hormone balance. Trans fats have been shown to lower testosterone levels, impair muscle growth, increase the risk of obesity, and contribute to type 2 diabetes. Men who consume fried foods frequently may notice sluggishness, weight gain, and reduced stamina. Switching to healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, roasting, or using an air fryer reduces exposure to harmful oils while retaining flavor and nutrients. Making this change improves energy levels, hormone balance, and long-term heart and metabolic health. The fifth major offender is alcohol, particularly beer. Regular alcohol consumption negatively affects testosterone, elevates estrogen levels, and contributes to fat accumulation, especially around the midsection. Alcohol also places extra stress on the liver, which plays a critical role in hormone regulation and detoxification. Over time, excessive drinking can impair libido, energy, and sleep quality, while increasing the risk of liver disease, prostate cancer, and other serious conditions. Limiting alcohol intake or reserving it for special occasions helps protect energy, hormones, and overall health. When you want a satisfying alternative, try sparkling water, herbal teas, or kombucha. These beverages are low in sugar, hydrating, and can help reduce cravings for alcohol while supporting energy levels. These 5 foods: processed meats, sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, fried foods, and excessive alcohol are more than just occasional indulgences. They are daily habits that silently undermine testosterone, energy, and overall health. Cutting them from your diet can improve vitality, support hormone balance, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic disease. Even removing 1 or 2 of these foods can lead to noticeable improvements in energy, mood, and overall well-being. Men over 40 should also be mindful of what they replace these foods with, incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, whole grains, and colorful fruits and vegetables helps maintain stable blood sugar, supports testosterone production, and improves overall energy. Staying hydrated, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and engaging in regular strength training or cardiovascular exercise amplify the benefits of a cleaner diet. Small, consistent changes compound over time, creating a sustainable foundation for health and vitality well into later years. Ask yourself which of these foods are in your daily routine. How often do you consume them without considering the long-term effects? Now is the perfect time to make a change. Replacing harmful foods with nutrient-rich alternatives will give your body the fuel it needs to operate at peak performance. Men over 40 can regain energy, support testosterone, maintain muscle, and reduce fat simply by making smarter food choices. The road to better health doesn't require extreme diets or supplements, just awareness, smart choices, and consistency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, comment below on which foods you'll be cutting from your diet, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips designed specifically for men over 40. Share this video with friends or family who could benefit from these insights. Small, consistent changes today lead to significant results tomorrow. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.